Today we're going to do a fun, simple activity. It's pencil holder for Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on November 14. It's the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He loved children so much. His birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. See how we do the pencil holder. We need 4 sheets of papers. That's gum, pencil and rubber. And we need 2 ribbons. First we need 2 plastic bottles. But ask your parents to cut it. Apply glue to all sides of the bottle. Now stick the paper on the bottle. Press the paper tightly. Cut the rest of the paper. Cut on all the sides. To fold it inside the bottle. Use a sellotape if it's not sticking with the gum. Apply glue to stick the ribbon. Make a knot with the ribbon. Now let's make the bird. Make sure the body's length is same as the bottle's length. Use a thick paper to stick the head if it's not sturdy. Now I'm making the second holder.